Today I will give you a comprehensive tutorial on how to use a computer mouse. It's quite easy. Usually you just need to plug a dongle and that's it. But if nothing happens, make sure you turned your laptop on. To make sure that your device will work correctly, download and install drivers. Go to this page and choose a driver that suits you the best. You have three choices: basic, decent and really good. With basic driver you get only right button on your mouse working. Decent driver gives you possibility to use right button and a wheel. Really good driver makes your mouse fully operational so that every button will work. Don't just trust my words, check the review section. You can see that this application was given rating of 5-star points from users. For example, Jan Kowalski says, "It's worth every penny, buy it now and don't even think." Or Test user says, "My mouse works really fast now, sir." Now let's try it on. Move your mouse left to move this small pointer left. Move the mouse right to move the pointer right. If you will have a situation when you will want to move your mouse further to the right, but you can't because you hit the wall or at the end of your table, just raise your mouse, move to the left and try again. It will work. I created a special course for you, 90 hours video that explains all the secrets you should know before you will apply for your first job, because every employer wants to have people who knows how to use mouse. After this course, you will have a strong argument in your CV and will get a chance to get a job 30 times faster. You don't need to buy some expensive mouse for comfortable work. Simple serial mouse will be sufficient for office work and for gaming as well. And if you have a really good driver, it can even compete with any modern mouse. Use triple click to select a paragraph. Click left mouse button, press Shift on your keyboard and then left click again to select a text. You can open a new page by clicking on links with your wheel, or you can close any browser tab by using a wheel click. Don't worry if you won't master mouse for the first time, that's okay. I do hope this video was helpful for you and very soon you will be a real mouse pro user. Till the next time.